Meghna Parekh, and today we are here to start the lecture series of Mathematics-02. Chapter is Laplace transform, and today our topic is application of Laplace transform. This topic is most important topic of the chapter. First of all, solution of ordinary differential equation. We know about the derivative formula of the Laplace transform, like Laplace of y of t equal to y of s. Then if we are applying Laplace on the y dash t, we get s y of s minus y of 0. Similarly for y double dash t, s square y of s minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0, so on. Now we are taking one example. First, apply Laplace transform both sides. Okay, so it is Laplace of y double dash plus 6 Laplace of y equal to Laplace of 1. S square y of s minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0 plus 6 y of s equal to 1 by s. S square y of s. What is the value of y of 0? It is 2s 0 6 y of s equal to 1 by s. So y of s equal to 1 by s plus 2s. Now we are create a subject as a y of s 1 upon s into s square plus 6 plus 2s upon s square plus 6. Okay. Now apply inverse Laplace transform both sides. Now, for this case, we take I1 plus I2. For I1, I1 equal to Laplace inverse of 1 upon s into s square plus 6. Taking partial fraction case 1 and case 3, we get a upon s plus bs plus c upon s square plus 6. Taking LCM, 1 equal to a s square plus 6 plus bs square plus cs. To compare the coefficient, we get a plus as square plus bs square equal to 0, cs equal to 0 and 6a equal to 1. So a equal to 1 by 6 from here b equal to minus a. So we get b equal to minus 1 by 6 and from here c equal to 0. So I1 is a Laplace inverse 1 by 6 1 by s minus Laplace inverse s upon s square plus 6. So answer is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 cos under root 6t. Okay. For I2, Laplace inverse of 2s upon s square plus 6. Directly we say that it is 2 cos under root 6t. Again, we are taking Laplace inverse of y of s. So we get I1 plus I2. What is I1? 1 by 6, 1 by 6 cos under root 6t plus 2 cos under root 6t. Take the LCM plus 11 by 6 cos under root 6t. So this is your answer of this example. Okay. Again, please recall what we do. First, apply Laplace transform both sides, taking formula of y double dash 6y of s, Laplace of 1 by s, put the initial values, solve these equations and create the subject as a y of s. So this is your y of s formation. After this step, we are taking inverse Laplace transform from both sides and find the inverse Laplace transform for the individual property. We are taking here I1 plus I2. To solve the I1, we get 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6 cos under root 6t and I2 2 cos under root 6t. Put the value of the I1 plus I2, we get the last answer of the example. Next example, y double dash plus y equal to sin 2t, y of 0 equal to 2 and y dash 0 equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, apply Laplace transform both sides. Laplace of y double dash plus Laplace of y plus Laplace of sin 2t. It is s square y of s minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0 plus y of s equal to 2 upon s square plus 4. Now, s square y of s minus y of 0 is 2, so it is 2s, it is 1 plus y of s equal to 2 upon s square plus 4. So we get s square plus 1 y of s equal to 2 upon s square plus 4 plus 2s plus 1. Create subject y of s, 2 upon s square plus 4 s square plus 1 plus 2s upon s square plus 1 and plus 1 upon s square plus 1. Apply inverse Laplace transform both sides. So it is inverse of y of s, 2 inverse of 1 upon s square plus 4 and s square plus 1 plus 2 inverse of s upon s square plus 1 plus inverse of 1 upon s square plus 1. Okay. Now solve this. 1 upon s square plus 4 minus 1 upon s square plus 1 we are divided by minus 3. To convert multiplication to subtraction rule, we are taking a numerator as a extra coefficients. Plus 2 cos t plus sin t. Now 2 upon minus 3, inverse of this 1 by 2 sin 2t minus 1 upon s square plus 1, so it is sin t, plus 2 cos t plus sin t. Now 2 is cut, so it is minus 1 by 3 sin 2t plus 2 cos t, 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1. So it is 5 by 3 sin t. This is your last answer of this example. Okay. So this is the application of Laplace transform, and this is the most important example for the GTU and as well as Laplace chapters.